Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial, number 5 on the C# programming language. In this one we're going to look at the last program. And instead of doing the concatenation that we're doing, we're going to use placeholders instead. Okay? So again, we have our string variables, right, for one. We're asking to write information in, okay, and then we're reading it in what's being wrote. Then we want to output the two results. So in this case, what we do is we put your two sports are, and we use placeholders of 0, 1, etc. Then we put the two variables here. So if we were to run this, and hopefully this won't be too slow, and hopefully it will build quick enough, and it has. So we put in golf, we press enter, and then we put soccer, and we'll enter that then. There you go, the two sports are golf and soccer. Okay, so that's simple enough. This is just another way of doing it. Again, write in your code, write in your text here, right? Then just put your variables here at the end, but make sure you use your placeholders for each variable too. Alright, thanks for joining me guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.